Hello YouTubers, Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop with another easy DIY project. What you see in front of you here is a welding blanket that I picked up from Harbor Freight for like less than $10, and I went ahead and made a welding curtain out of it by using half-inch galvanized electrical conduit. As you can see, I went ahead and made my bracket using the 90 degree elbows, one on each side. Here's the other one, and you want to get the one that has the cinch down screws, so that way it holds your the pipe down. So basically, this welding blanket is a 4 feet by 6 foot welding blanket. So you want to cut your top piece 6 feet or a little under is okay. As you can see, there's gaps on both sides of the blanket. And this side piece, cut that either 46 or 48 inches. And you're going to mount it to this frame bracket that I picked up for free from a restaurant that was getting rid of some brackets for, I guess they had like some kind of either tables or chairs or something. But anyway, I picked mine up for free. I ended up getting like 3 of them, so I figured, what can I use this for? And this idea came to mind. So, like I said, you're going to need the elbows right there, and you want to get the ones that's 90 degree. Those fit better. Also, you're going to need 2, these are cable clamps, these here. And on these it actually says a number 20, but these come with a like rubber protectant, and it just so happens that when I cinch down on these screws, which these are 3/4 inch number 10 self-tapping screws with a 5/16 head, and you can see that once you cinch this down, it squeezes this pretty good, and it's holding this piece on very well. The bottom of this bracket, it's got 3 feet, which makes it nice and stable to hold the blanket in place. And through these eye loops, I'm just using some 550 cord at the bottom, at the middle, right there, just to keep this from moving back and forth. If I'm outside and the wind's blowing pretty good. And I did the same thing here with the 90 degree elbow, 550 in the middle and on the bottom, and like I said, 2 clamps to hold the conduit in place, same bracket. And this is easy to take down because all I need to do is unscrew this screw here and this screw right there, and the whole thing comes apart. And then you can separate, you can put this this right side of the stand and the left side of the stand together, and then take the bar off of there and roll the blanket up on the bar, and then just put it off to the corner somewhere. So there you have it. A quick and easy project to make a welding blanket into a welding curtain. Especially if you're welding inside your garage, you don't have much space, you got a car parked in there like I do now, but still I don't have enough space. But when I pull the car out, I still have my motorcycle in there and some tools and some other items that you may not want the sparks to fly on. Well, there you have it. Easy project. And please rate, comment, and subscribe. And also hit that little bell next to the subscribe button so you can get updates and new notifications for when I post new videos. Well, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day.